let's create a ymap. Open folder. I like to name the files the same, so when I'm searching for exterior test, that will show me the ymap, the ytyp, and ydrs and all that stuff. Okay, so we created the ymap. Now let's create the ytype. And close. Open the folder again. Select your ytype, new archetype from ydr. Select your ydr, save. Close the project window again. And open it. Then let's add it maybe somewhere in here. Again, this is gonna be huge. Ymap, new entity. The name is it's not that big. It's big, but not really. There's bigger buildings. Save all, tools, manifest generator, generate, save. Alright, let's see what it looks like in game. Let me access my server here for a second so I can restart it. Restart. Alright, we're starting up. 5M. Looks like I have the empty map enabled. It's gonna take a minute. think I forgot to set the LOD. Where are you? There you go. Of course, had to be set up next to the other tests. We're a bit high. But it's fine. Climb up, you silly. So that's the placeholder for the doors. Here, looks like I forgot to select the meshes, the other meshes. And this will be the placeholder for the doors from behind the building. And the doors, more doors. Actually, let's take a heli. Yeah, probably you can tell I ran some loading tests, and I forgot to remove that stuff for this video. Alright, you can walk on this area. And the doors to access the roof from inside. I want to know what it looks like when you climb down the stairs on this. Yeah, it's completely awkward. Look at that. the animation is completely fucked up. So yeah, I've never added for this mesh the collisions for stairs. There's a special type of collision that will make the pad animate like there's stairs. But yeah, that's pretty much, you saw me creating a brand new building, pretty poorly textured, so we're not here for 2 days. But that's pretty much the process. If you want to to create a building from scratch, that's how you do it, and it takes about 2 hours, 3 hours to do the basic setup for whatever we're trying to do, not counting the interior. The interior, the basic setup probably will take another hour, an hour and a half. But yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.